The Burmese military has intensified its assault on Christian rebels fighting for independence in Myanmar's Kachin state. Some 4,000 people have fled their homes since early April, according to the United Nations. And there are fears that many people remain trapped in conflict-stricken areas near the border with China. Our Myanmar correspondent Nick Beek has more from Yangon.
Desperate and with nowhere to go. These are the Christians of the northernmost part of Myanmar, forced from their homes by recent fighting. Elephants offer the only way of escape, carrying men, women and children across the water and whatever possessions they could gather. The conflict here in Kachin state has dragged on for more than half a century, but has been overshadowed recently by the scale of the persecution of Rohingya Muslims in the west of the country. But the Burmese military has now intensified its assault on the Christian rebels fighting for independence in Kachin. The army is accused of bombing this school, although it insists it doesn't target civilians. No pupils were in lessons at the time of this reported attack.
A bomb exploded 40 to 50 feet away from the Baptist mission school's kitchen. It was inside the compound in Bamwang village.
Many in Myanmar are fed up with the ongoing conflict in the country's border regions, and at the weekend they showed it. In the main city Yangon, the police arrested demonstrators. 17 now face charges, a move condemned by human rights groups. The Burmese leader Aung San Suu Kyi says her priority is bringing peace. It seems a long way off. Nick Beek, BBC News, Yangon.